Happy February, Inner Circle Kit Club members. Just wanted to give you a quick update of the exclusive designs for February. So each month we will release a 2-page 12 by 12 spread that is themed to that particular month. So here we have February's design, and the other side of the page looks like this. So this kit includes both of these 12 by 12 pages. In the whole year, we will release one for the month, and they are made to coordinate so that you could put them in a single album and you have a spread for the month for an entire year. You could also leave off this banner, and then you could use it for any kind of spread, any kind of love spread in any month of the year. So you can buy January's is still available as well. And you don't have to get it every month. You can skip a month, however you want to do that, since it's choose what you want to choose every month. So is it ironic, or what is the word here, that for this year's February kit, I used Photoplay's In Loving Memory. It's about death. And I used it for the love of February. I've been doing the Inner Circle Kit Club since like 2009, and how many February designs can you come up with that are brand new? So I wanted to challenge myself not to use the traditional red and pink, and I really love this sympathy kit from Photoplay. So I thought, why not challenge myself to take the month of love and use the sympathy collection. So there you go. Also, every single month we release a 2-page 12 by 12 Disney spread. Now you'll notice if you look at the past exclusive designs, we still have a lot of those available. This month's is Guardians of the Galaxy. So it is a 2-page spread. The other side is out in production, so I don't have that with me. But always a 2-page 12 by 12 Disney themed spread. Also this year, we are releasing a Disney title die cut for every single month. Last month we did Adventureland, which did sell out, but no worries. We put it back into production, and you should see that you can purchase that if you missed it out in January. This month is Main Street USA, and it's currently out in production, so I don't have that sample with me, but you can see it online. We also have that title die cut available with a coordinating paper pack. So if you're interested, you can also get it with 5 sheets of 12 by 12 paper that are made to perfectly coordinate with that title die cut. That way you could easily turn that into a page or a spread if you choose to do that. All right, also every single month, if you place an order for the month, we send you a free title die cut. Now that is a predetermined title die cut for every month, and it's always kind of general in the theme. So it will never be the Disney one. It will always be a special one that's general and themed. And here is this month's. This is what happiness looks like. So if you place an order for the month of February, you'll automatically receive this in your order. Now, if you need more than one of these, you are welcome to order extra ones, but just remember that one will automatically come in your order. Now, if it comes to the end of February, you've decided you're not going to place an order for the month, just send us an email, and we can go ahead and just send you this title die cut for the month. If you choose not to place any other order and still interested in receiving this at no additional charge. New this year, we are taking this title die cut and creating a supplement page spread. So see, here it is here. And here is the supplemental spread for this month. So here's one side, here's the other side. So that will be the 2-page spread that we have made to coordinate with this month's free title die cut. Now remember, you're automatically going to get this with your order. So if you order this, which is like $18.50, somewhere around there, $18.50, it's $18 something, you're automatically going to receive this. So You'll have a 2-page spread for that low cost. Now we are allowing people to order a couple of these if you need an additional one. Just don't forget that the additional one doesn't automatically come with another free title die cut. You would need to order an extra one of those. Now some of you are just now joining, so this is your first month with us. So we have January's title die cut supplement as well. Some of you were members in January and missed out, but don't worry, we put it back into production. So hopefully here this week or next week, we will have that available again for order. So if you received January's title die cut and are still interested in that supplemental spread, it will be available. You're still going to be able to get it. If you just joined us and you love last month's supplemental spread that you see on our website, don't forget that you'll also need to order the title die cut for January in order to make that a complete spread. So just by ordering last month's doesn't mean that this will be your month's freebie. This is February's freebie for every single order, this one here. All right, just a quick reminder too that nothing is auto shipped. So we need you to go ahead and hop online and place an order. We have no minimum requirements. We will hold all of those orders and we'll ship them together at the very end of each month. If there are items in your orders that are pre-orders and aren't ready, we'll ship everything that we can that last week of February and back order those items and we'll ship those at a later date. So we do ship partial orders if you are a Kit Club member. All right. Happy scrapping, everyone. Thank you so much for being an Inner Circle Kit Club member. Have a great February.